In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a hidden setting in your Phantom wallet that brings a powerful set of tools to your fingertips. The best part? It only takes about 5 seconds to activate. This is especially useful for anyone enthusiastic about diving deeper into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, offering a great way to experiment without the need to spend actual money. Let's delve into how you can easily access these features and why they can be a game changer, especially for beginners or those looking to test new features. First things first, you'll want to open your Phantom wallet. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you do so. Once you are in, navigate over to the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon, which is a universal symbol for settings in most applications. It might be a good idea to familiarize yourself with some of the other settings available here, as they can help enhance your overall user experience. Now that you've reached the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Developer Settings. This section is where a lot of the magic happens, so go ahead and tap it. Within these developer settings, you'll notice an option called Show Test Networks. Flip the switch to turn this option on. But what does this do exactly? Simply put, enabling test networks gives you access to blockchain testnets, which are parallel networks to the main blockchain but use fake crypto. It's a great way to learn and practice crypto transactions without financial risk. Once you've enabled test networks, go ahead and navigate back to your main wallet view. Here, you'll notice the network name at the top of your screen. Tap on it, and voila, you will now see options for testnet and devnet. These options are your gateway to practice and explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in a risk-free environment. It's particularly beneficial if you're just starting out or if you're testing new features that you're not quite ready to run on the mainnet with real funds. In essence, using these testnet options allows you to gain experience and confidence in handling digital currencies, conducting transactions, and even testing smart contracts if you're up for it. It's like having your own sandbox to play in without any real-world consequences. So go ahead, unlock this feature, and start exploring the limitless potential of blockchain technology at no cost. Remember, the key to mastering anything is consistent practice, and now you have the ideal tools to do just that without any risk. Use it, learn from it, and set yourself up for success in